am from the U.S. I was born in the U.S. and then I moved here when I was in first grade. So yeah, but in the States, I'm from North Carolina, and I like sports and.
Hi, my name is Nora. I'm from Nicaragua and I love sports. And my friends say I'm addicted.
Hi, I'm Elise, and as you know, I'm not Nicaraguan because I have an Asian face. Well, I'm from South Korea, and I like soccer, and yeah.
And me. Okay, no.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Judith, and I'm from Nicaragua. I've lived here all my life, and I enjoy sports, and
Zaira.
My name is Zaira Valladares, and I'm
From Nicaragua.
because I'm awesome, and no, I'm just kidding. And I'm part of this beautiful, well, Bible study. And I like to play sports, and I am loud. And
I don't know what to say.
Leah. I am originally from Oregon, but I've lived here in Nicaragua for 13 years. And I'm going part-time at NCA, or Nicaragua Christian Academy. And and I have an awesome YouTube video. And
You can find it.
my name is Nicole, and I like to play basketball, and I like to be very funny, and
where are you from?
I am from China. I'm kidding. I'm from Nicaragua.
I'm Kaylee Valladares, and I'm from Nicaragua, and that's my sister.
And I'm the polar
Opposite.
I'm the polar opposite of her. So yeah, that means I'm quiet. And I love sports. And that's
contest.
I'm really good.
Contest.
She's really good.
Contest.
Yeah.
Bye.
It was nice meeting you, Lake Forest.
Zaira, you saying?
Bye.
Good.
You're not?
Don't kiss the camera.
Bye. And cut!
And cut! Mark. I'm from Britain. Okay, so
Everyone talking
I'll
accent!
stand with you, Nora.
Okay, my name and where I'm from.
yeah. Go ahead.
Oh.
I'm thinking.
Oh my gosh.
I was
Okay.
in Nicaragua.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. That. No, I'm just kidding. My name is Zaira Lil Carmen. No, I'm just
Hi, my name is Nora. I'm from Nicaragua and I'm studying Nicaragua Christian Academy.
Yeah, you can start.
Okay. Hi. Addict of Facebook.
Yes, you.
Start over. Start over.
everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
If you don't have your money, we can
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so are you gonna go now?
Is that killing?
You're on.
Go Leah and Naomi. Okay.
That's it.
But okay, go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I go?
It's Natalie. Hi. That's Natalie.
Okay, Kayla, start introducing yourself. She's filming.
Okay.
Before she starts.
Okay. Ready? Go. How you say it? You don't even say yeehaw. You yeehaw maybe?
No,
Yeehaw.
Yes, because that's how you say in my vocabulary.
Okay, and
Why everyone is there?
alright, okay.
Start, guys.
Oh, Okay, Kaylee.
I got red.
It's okay, Kaylee. Just introduce yourself to the new friends.
Oh. The same thing we're all saying.
But after, nothing.
So guys, we're
Just my
saying,
name?
hi girls from Forest Lake.
Forest Lake.
Forest Lake, Flores,
Nature.
and a green bosque del Santa Maria del.
Yes, that. Hey, Forest Lake girls.
We're from Nicaragua.
Oh, we're starting Nicaragua?
Yeah, we're gonna start. Yeah.
Okay, now.
Okay, guys, serious.
1, 2, 3.